Hello, this is Randy Lindsay with Hawkeye Traders. I want to give you a quick update on the gold situation. Last week I gave a quick update on gold saying that it was starting to glitter again, so I wanted to give you a quick update on that. Remember on the GLD, that's the very popular gold ETF, we got a nice reversal volume price extension bar that we talked about on the last update. Well, you can see we expected to see 3 to 5 price bars have followed through. Here we're looking on the fifth bar. We are still continuing to see some momentum and build of this. We're expecting it to get back up to about 140, maybe even 142 range, which is in line with the downtrend that's already established. So we're expecting it to just be a simple corrective move, but it could surprise us. Right now, full volume isn't supporting a complete key reversal, but in any rate, it's looking really good, which presents really nice opportunities intraday trading. So once you see these types of reversals, you know a correction is on. Look to the faster time frames to try to take bullish moves in the market. Okay, let's go over to the GDX, the gold miners. We saw the exact same signature set up on the charts. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4 very strong buying volume bars coming in, and we're starting to see a nice build of volume coming up into that. So this also looks real strong. We're coming up into overhead resistance, so that could be the extent of its pull up. But if we see gold as we see on the daily fat boy here, gold has become extremely oversold and now is coming back really quickly with a lot of strength. So that strength usually tends to come back to fair value, which is the 50% line. If we cannot break the previous high of the energy build, then we would expect to see it roll over and continue on its downward move. Now let's look at the GC, which is the gold futures contract. You can see that it is in a consolidation wedge. You can see the push down created a brand new low. We're in a series of lower highs as well. So the bounce off of this low and the build of volume that we're seeing coming into this is in line with the GLD and the GDX, and we are seeing a potential for another 20 or so points to the upside on that. So looking into the intraday charts, then you can see trading gold intraday then becomes very rewarding. So if we go over to yesterday's action, which is what I had set up for, then you can see that following that move, looking into this, coming up into the open of the gold market, you can see that following our rules, looking for alignment of trend, volume, and heat map with the second time frame alignment. Let me scroll back to the 6-minute time at that same time. Sorry about that. I should have already had that set up. Then you can see buying volume, positive buying volume coming in prior to the open of the market. And you can also see on the 12-minute chart as well. The 12-minute chart gave us a really good signal that buying volume was coming in. So as price came down into these levels, you can see buyers were stepping in to take control of that. So when the market opened, it rallied really quickly. Knowing that and understanding it and seeing it ahead of time helped us to take this trade with a lot of confidence. So taking the initial trigger point and then putting our levels tool on to give us our profit take points. Then you can see at the first level 3, which is a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio, I was able to take out 2 contracts, the 5 level 2 contracts, and then the 7 level to exit the trade on the last contract. So overall, the first one took 5 points, the second one took a little over 8 points, and the third one took almost 12 points to give us a grand total of $3,900 in about 1.5 hours. So that was a nice trade. You can see the move and the action in today. Look, you can see the volumes giving again the signature of the move, the failure of price to come back in, a lot of volume building that back up into, and then some really nice push up into profit. So you can see trading with volume and price is the key, and understanding multiple time frames will help you as a trader to take advantage of these moves. Gold is glittering, and it's great to be a part of that. So just want to remind everyone that the lifetime license of Hawkeye is going away. That this is the last week that you can get a copy of the lifetime license for the Hawkeye software. After this, then we'll only make them available as subscriptions, either monthly or yearly subscriptions. So go ahead and lock in your rates right now. The current prices before they go up, because the yearly rates are going to be the same prices that they are now, but you'll just be paying for it every year instead of one time right now. Also, download a copy of our free ebook or come to my free Wednesday training room every Thursday at 9:30 Eastern Time. Thank you very much.